What is up mga ka-tech shop? So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to reset an Oppo A5S. Basically, the customer forgot the password. The LCD for this phone got broken and it took them some time to get it fixed. Now the LCD was replaced, but they can no longer remember the password, and that's why they came to my shop and need to repair or remove the password. First thing that we'll need to do is check the version. I'm using Unlock Tool app, and this app only works for a specific version of Android. So that's the Android 8.1.0 for Oppo A5S. And next thing you need to do is turn off the phone. Open Unlock Tool app on your computer, and then go to Oppo and Meta tab and click on the reset or reformat keep data. And then on your phone, while the data cable is connected, press the volume down button and the power button and wait for a few seconds. And it's gonna go to the recovery mode. The unlock tool detects the phone and will start resetting or wiping out the password. Just wait for it to complete. This repair may look easy, but truth is it took me 5 attempts to reset the phone. So 4 failed attempts, and then finally I got it on the fifth time. So it's wiping out the password, and then once the password is removed, you will need to set up the phone like it's new. Alright, so if you have phone there that needs password reset, you may message me on my Facebook page, John Blanc Tech Shop, and don't forget to like and subscribe on this channel. Let's go!